Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my press-ons. This is the first time that I'm attempting to make my press-ons when they're on the stand and not just on my hand. And let me tell you, for some reason it was way more complicated, but I still hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I do list everything down below from Amazon, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are the type of nails I'm going to be using. These are the EC basket nails that I got from Amazon. I have them in my haul. I'll link those below. And then this is just a nail file. Random nail file. I can't remember where I got it from. Some brush on glue. This is the 5 and Below glue. This is the first time I'll be trying that, so I'm really excited to see if this works. I hope it does. And I'm really excited for these nail polishes. This is H19 and H03 from my Joel T nail polish from my haul. And this is my Beetles top coat and base coat, and this is just some primer if you want it. I'm not going to use it today, but this is the kind I have. I'm going to be using these crystals to decorate in different sizes, and then I'm going to also be using these little bitty tiny circular crystals to decorate as well. These are some of the tools I'm going to be using: 2 picker uppers and an acrylic brush. I also have these really cute little flowers and like gold little pearl things for decoration too. Now let's go ahead and start with the nails. So I have both sets here, and I just have them on my little stand with some Loctite or Loctite, whatever that putty stuff is. I'm just going to brush on some nail glue. This is one of my tricks for getting your press-ons, or for my press-ons, to last longer and to be a little bit stronger. I like to add a little extra nail glue on the base. And now I'm just going to roughen them up so that the polish has something to stick to. With my nail file, I'm just going to run it over really lightly, not to shave off all of the nail glue we just put on. And now I'm just going to throw on my base coat. This is the Beetles base coat that I've really been loving. And I'm just going to brush that on like normal. I really love using the nail glue in the base coat to make my press-ons because it just adds a little extra strength if you're not going to be using acrylic or polygel. So I think this is a really cool hack if you want stronger press-ons to last longer. Now we're going to be adding the blue coat, and I did put that in my lamp to cure. I just didn't show it because it was off to the side. But we're just going to paint our nails like normal. And this is literally one coat. This gel polish is so good. Do you all see that? Like one dip, one coat, and it is this color. It's crazy. I did haul this, so I'll have that haul linked down below. I'll have like all of my nail related videos linked down below so you guys can go and check everything out. I am absolutely loving this set. It was like 30 bucks, and I think it's a great deal because these polishes are great. And it's only me. I'm not a professional. I don't, make these for friends or anything. So I think those polishes are going to last me still quite a while, even though they're in a smaller bottle. So I cured that, and now I'm going to be doing the white. So I just threw a little bit of white nail polish on a little sheet, and I'm just going to take a small makeup brush and dab, 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 and just kind of create like splashes, not necessarily like clouds, but a little bit kind of like smoke, little splashes of white on 2 of the nails, my thumb and my 4th finger. So I cured that, and here is some struggle scenes of me trying to put on those crystals. Y'all, I don't know what it is about putting crystals on with the nail on the stand, but it is 10 times more difficult than putting it on your hand. I struggled so bad, so I just wanted to throw this clip in here to show how struggle it was. But everything worked out, and I got the crystals and the designs and stuff on there. So then I added some top coat on there and cured it again. I think they came out pretty well. So now I'm going to be adding some of this shimmering eyeshadow that I got from Dollar Tree. I forgot to show this in the beginning, but I thought about it and I was like, oh, I can add some shimmer or some shine. I think that'll be cool. So I added it on there with the brush that it comes with. I don't use this on my eyes, guys, so don't worry. I only use this for my nails. Okay guys, so this is the final step. I'm just going to add my Beetles top coat to both sets of nails, and I'm putting the top coat just around the crystals, definitely not on top of the crystals. And that is it, you guys. I cured them both for 99 seconds, and this is the final product. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. These nails were actually easy to make, minus the issues with the crystals, but that's just going to take some learning. So make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.